How to turn off notifications in edits. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off notifications. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see your profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. So these are the profile settings that are available. Now here on the top, you can see notifications. Tap on notifications. So this is the notification menu. Simply tap on or switch off this button. Now as you can see, it has been turned off. Now there won't be any notification that will come up, so you can even directly go to your settings and turn off the notification for edits. So this will directly pause the notification and you'll not have any disturbance in your mobile phone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.